For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy nil. Umdlalo Betway Premiership reverse fixture last season. This game ended in a draw, Mr. Tso. Remember, after Jose Rivero left, where Orlando Pirates led for about 90 minutes. Then in added time, TS Galaxy, last kick of the game, they equalized 1-1, but namhlanje Orlando Pirates made sure they collect all the maximum points in the tata babeke ku number 3 kwi log ye Betway Premiership. Benibukela nawo umdlalo Msetso, mandikubulise usichazele ukuthi ubona kanjani umdlalo.
Angibulise Mr. Nkewu. Ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise chairman, ngibulise uBobo Khadoso, ngibulise uLindo Mkwena. Mhlekazi omhle.
Mr. Tso,
Ongasubhubha ngecala.
legend.
Shane Mashane.
Mr. Tso.
Ngibulise nane emakhaya. Ngicela support njalo la Itiski TV ngizobeka nje obinjalo ngijike futhi. Yeah, what a game, Shane. You know, Shane, before ngizongena kahle in details, I want people to listen to me very carefully. Hey, everyone's got a key now. It's open. Shane, ngibeke kahle ngesizulu. Iminyango yonke ivulekile manje. Lokho umuntu unesikhiya sokuvula umnyango angene phakathi. Akunamuntu ophethe ikhiye. Hayi, that was then. How? That was then.
Mr.
Shane, take my words. You saw what happened tonight.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates against TS Galaxy. The best team in PSL. Mind you, let me tell you, I'll go in details if you want me to go to details. You know, when a big team like Orlando Pirates plays against TS Galaxy, some players, they want to show, you know, that Pirates, please come get me, and so on and so forth. But I like how they structure their team. And they make it, we can say it was an easy game for Pirates, but it was not an easy game.
Never.
You know, it was not an easy game. Yes, Pirates they created chances. You know, they had some upper hand there and there where I thought Pirates were supposed to bury this game first half, but they didn't do that. It tells you how stubborn also was TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
You know, even though they had chances, the Pirates they didn't lose those chances. But you know, they didn't make it easy. But the quality of Pirates players, wow.
Mr. Tso, everyone knows Uguti, you used to play for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
I mean, even young kids, if they read about the history of Orlando Pirates, they will know Uguti, Benedict Vilakazi once played for Orlando Pirates. He captained that team. Yeah. But I'm sure bakhona bambala bangayazi ukuthi wangqubujezi nabantu Pirates.
Yeah, but mangabe bafuna Pirates mali weza yabona ezinye izinto wena Shane milibe kuegazini umuntu ePirates.
Mr. Tso, wangqoba ujezi nabantu Pirates
15. Ngiqale thingize nayo kahle. Ngaqala
the famous
24.
one. The famous one.
15.
Number 15.
Yeah.
There was also another number 15 namhlanje.
Ash, that boy.
Masindi namthatshela. And ndikhe ndakubona kuxhuma esitulweni Tso sithi I think ndiyazibona apha kule player lo. What do you make of Masindi, Mr. Tso?
Yo, Shane, you know Masindi.
And he's wearing your number too.
Mamela Shane, you know Masindi, when I always talk about the brain, that you need a brain in the team. That boy, he's gonna be something big in our football in South Africa. Watch the space. If you can continue working hard and play the way he played against TS Galaxy, because TS Galaxy, that midfield of TS Galaxy was very strong.
Yeah.
Matuna, Mkaka,
was also Mbunjana was there.
Mbunjana. That midfield is very strong and tight. Work rate they are there, but he managed to, you know, not per se really outlast them, but you know, he played very well. You know, he was making actions, carrying the ball, passes. I like what he always, this boy was doing was, you know, when you need him in defense, he's there. And then again, when you looking for an attack, he's the one who's there with the pass. He's the one who connects. You know that boy. He's a very good link between Unduli in that midfield, King number 2000, and the wingers. And I like what the coach now what was doing. You know, ungikhumbuza the days of abo Sibusiso Zuma, abo Gento Kampala, abo Joseph Ngake, Tukutuku Makanya, Chisboy. We had typical wingers. And this is,
So ndivilist but andilivi igama lakho kule list.
No.
Andilivi igama lakho kule
No,
list so
no,
ayiphelelanga
no,
le list so.
Yazi Shane, angithi manje sengifaka lo mfana lona lapha wena Shane.
But ayiphelelanga le list so.
Shane, ngifake lo mfana lona
The little Napoleon.
yeah, no khohlwa. Yeah, no khohlwa Shane.
How about
Yeah, uthi uvalile kuzovule kungazi ukuthi isikhiya leso sibuyaphi. Yeah, bese kuyavuleka kungena ngaphakathi. Yeah, bekunjalo Shane. I like this boy. This boy, the way they've played all of them tonight. Bangikhumbuze the Pirates that I know. The Pirates yakudala when I was young, yabo Jerry Skosana, and then yethu. That was typical Pirates, not with the Pirates that initiate attacks using the full backs, abo Mabilis. No. They used the typical wingers, and I like, when I'm saying typical wingers, I want people to hear me. Typical wingers, Muremi, he's a left footer, he's there on the left.
talented.
Sibelebele, right footer, is there on the right. And then here behind was the King of 2000. And then the link between the King of 2000 and Yundulu, you've got 15.
It's all says Umfukeng, since he started his career at Orlando Pirates,
Yeah.
he played more as a winger.
Yeah.
But recently they've been playing him like low number 10. What do you make of him when it's all power? As number 10 Umfukeng?
Look,
Do you think Orlando Pirates will deploy him there more often?
Well, I think they can play him there because he's giving us this extra run of the box. Running behind the box, and also he's very smart. If you look at his passes, look at the second goal, the combination here, Auto on the left side. I like how he, that point. Here there'll be this good action from this side. He always goes there. When there's an action, he always goes there, and he's there in the mix of things. And I think that role suits him very well. And again, he's not going to have a heavy load. He's not going to have a heavy load.
Because
No. Inamba yamampehela ikona laphana is fixing everything. Inamba yamampehela ikona. Yabona manje? Yeah. No. This boy, he's doing very well. I like his play. He doesn't lose the ball too much. He's always clinical in terms of passing, and he knows when to get to the box. He knows when to stay outside. He knows when to go and help wide because he always in the middle. It's rare to see him wide because he knows that when we lose the ball, we need him to drop back here to help Unduli. And I was very impressed with that.
you said so. Yazi, enye into bendiqaphele namhlanje, this defense Orlando Pirates, I don't know how many clean sheets they've kept
Aye.
because in the league, the last time Sipo China conceded a goal was when they lost 2-1 against Maramo Gallants, the good game Petwe Premiership. He's been keeping clean sheets ever since then. There's also been this combination between Mbogazi and Usiema. It seems like it's going to be difficult for whoever is coming back from injury. Also, Smith is the captain of the team. Olisanda just recently ubuyile injury. Also, Sesane. What's happening? Bonakala ukuthi Orlando Pirates has found players ezimbini ezicombinayo ukuthi zikhiphe ama clean sheet.
Shani, there's one thing that we when we always talk about all these players, but there's a player that we don't mention. And that player for me is a key player there at Pirates. Uchaine, he's been there doing very well. Yes, the defense is very good, but when we ask him, Uchaine, to come to the party, he comes there and make it easier for everyone. Let's also look at that, Uchaine. And that means Uchaine has got good leadership skills because when you bring the young boys to Uchaine with his leadership skills, he guided these boys very well. That's why you see these boys, they hardly concede, the two of them, because of the understanding that they've got, the leadership skills, the guidance from Uchaine. That's a very key thing that a lot of people didn't look at.
He also worked for clean sheet yakhe namhlanje
Yes.
because remember there was a chance
Yes.
towards the end of the game
Yes.
Gas Zindonga.
Yes.
Zindonga converts that, so
Yeah.
the game changes completely because
Definitely.
it's 89th minute if I'm not mistaken.
Definitely.
Changes.
Yeah.
Maybe Mdlalo namhlanje would have ended in a draw because you know ukuthi once he equalizing last minute, the players zonke ziyatyhafa Mr. So I think he also worked hard for his clean sheet namhlanje.
That's what I'm saying, that we don't praise him. And he always comes when matters most. Uchina will come in. Look at that action. Usiema there was left. Coming maybe 2-3 steps. And then he made a save. Uchina. That's when you're talking about leadership skills to say, look, guys, we can't concede. We didn't concede before. Why now? But when you make a mistake, you know I'm there for you. You know, so for them, it's easy not to make mistakes because of the leader that is behind them. He's guiding them very well. And let me talk about this player. And I always ask
In just 20 seconds,
and
24
pray.
seconds.
Yeah, and always ask and pray for this boy. And every time when he comes in, he scores.
Tsegofaso Mabaso.
Shane, I've asked, can you give him time? Allow him to play. As to give other players time to play, allow Mabasa to play. Shane, as a striker, if you want to score, you must be in the box. Done. Thank you, Shane.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tso. I couldn't say it because I agree with you. Well, let's go to namhlanje Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi. They call me Tso. Niyazi bafethu, amakhosi for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.